Go again. Who's coming at us? Let me see. I need to turn my brightness up. I can't see shit. Looking at your name. Looking at your name. Looking at your name. Looking at your name. Oh shit, insane. Ah damn, that shit did mad damage. Oh, fat boy, what's your name in the motherfucking studio? What's your name in the motherfucking studio? Oh, damn. Oh, get on the ground, big boy. Ah! Look at you. Exactly what's supposed to happen. Hey, can't see nothing, but it's alright, though. I really can't see nothing, to be honest with you. Alright, my next victim. Come here, boy. Bah! Oh! Nope. Goodbye! Hate to see it. You hate to see it. That nigga dead. Alright. This motherfucker. Come here, boy. Give me your back. Do it. I dare you. Oh! Oh, I got parried. What he gonna do? Nah, bro. I don't fall for those. I don't fall for that.
Zone C. You lost Zone A.
Nope. Give me that. Bro, like, you're getting fucked. He's getting fucked up. Yeah, bro, I'm sorry. That was bad. Shit. It's alright. Yeah, this will be do. Oh, shit! Uh-huh. Yep. You hate to see it, don't you? You hate to see it. Oh, yeah. You hate to see it. Come here, boy. I'll give this one more try. Oh, you hate to see him. Wow. Yeah, bro. Absolutely bodied. Let's move on. I'll be trying to get the daba off it. Nah. Nah. Oh, you ain't got no stamina. Let it fly. Oh, you got stamina back. Nah. That's not hitting me. I almost deflected that. I'm gonna deflect him. I'm not falling for that either. I'm gonna deflect you. I told you. Nope. Oh, that was great. Nah, I don't fall for those like. Oh, he's getting better. Okay, I'm gonna start kicking him. All right, I'm gonna kick him right now. What you gonna do? Oh, he's just trying to. Oh. He's really trying to. He's mad. That nigga is mad that I bust his ass earlier. So he's doing all types of bullshit. I got you right. But this time I'm gonna kick the shit out of him. Come here, big boy. Big boy. Stupid. I'm gonna let this fly. I'm about to get you. Oh, good job. Okay. They're working together. And I'm getting fucked. You hate to see it, right? You hate to see it. Nah, nigga, I'm not dumb. Nope, I got you again, you stupid fuck. I parried that shit. Myself, solo dolo. Cause all they gonna try to do is jump me. That means I gotta be on my P's and Q's with my light checks. Alright, here they come. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. What the fuck? I'm not. Yeah, nigga, I'm not. I gotta be careful. Fuck! Yo, the camera in this shit is so annoying. Let me focus on him. Oh shit. I gotta be careful. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Give me that. Give me that. Fuck. I'm dead! Who coming? Nobody? Yeah, you're gone. Yeah, you. Who that? Oh, here to go. The bot to be the bot be the yo, the bot be better than the players, bro. Look at him. Look, he dodged that. Smack him. I don't even know how he dodged that. He getting fucked up over there. Damn, I was trying to go save his life. Fuck. He could deal with the bot. Save my nigga. From my brother. From my brother.
The enemy rally.
Fucking light. If you light me, I ain't stupid, bro. I play the game over here. You? Yeah, fuck that. Nah, fuck that. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. No. Fuck! Don't panic now, Jaden. Don't panic now. I'm not. Oh, I'm panicking. I panicked.
My spirit never dies.
I want my shit. I'm not falling for that. Okay. I'll keep you in a loop. Fuck! Cooking me! Cooking me!
You captured Zone C.
I gotta work hard. You thought I was ass, did you? You thought I was ass! You thought I was ass! These niggas thought I was dead. These niggas thought I was dead. These niggas thought I was dead.